Hey everyone, Vinayak here. I've been using the Amazon Echo for quite some time now, especially for home automation, and the kids enjoy getting it to play songs and play riddles, etc. But being just a drab speaker looking thing, it doesn't look nice especially in the hall, it doesn't look nice on the desk. So let's see if this can bring in some color to my home hall space, and also if it has all the features that my standard Echo has. So here we have with us the newly released Echo Show 5, and I purchased it off Amazon. The device is a more compact version of the Echo Show, which is upwards of 17K. I managed to snag this one during the Amazon Prime Day for Rs 4859, which considering the actual price is 8999 is more than 50% off. This is the main box of the Echo Show 5. The device comes with all the features of the other Alexa devices, but with the addition of a 5.5-inch screen. Let's get it out of the packaging. The box is crumpled on the side, hope nothing is wrong within. On the side of the box, the sources you can connect to are listed. Amazon Prime Video also works on this device, so this could be in your kitchen and you could be watching your favorite series or movie on it. Of course, music and news sources are also supported. The best part of having a screen is that the Echo Show 5 can show you a visual response to your commands. Let's get the device out of the box. We have waited long enough. In the box, we have the Echo Show 5, some manuals, and a power cable with an attached plug. Here's a closer look at the device. We have a physical camera on-off switch, which actually covers the camera, volume plus and minus buttons, and a microphone mute button when you don't want the device listening in for the wake word. On the back are a power port, a micro USB port, and a 3.5mm audio output. The underside of the device has a rubberized base, which would prevent the device from sliding around. Included is a 15-watt power plug and cable used to power the device. So let's power the device on. There we go. Booting up displays the Amazon logo, then the Echo text, and sometime later the setup screen. Being a touchscreen device, we can set it up without the need of a phone. Select your Wi-Fi, enter your password, and you're in. The device has to be linked to an Amazon account, so enter your credentials here. Once complete, we see a welcome screen. Hit continue. We have to select where the Echo 5 would be placed. Not mandatory, but would be helpful if you have more than one. Name the device and you're done. The device plays a small video demo of what all the Echo can do. After the video, we are dropped onto the home screen. The Echo Show 5 has a 5.5-inch screen with a resolution of 960 by 480. This is quite low, but still considering this is a budget Echo Show, the Echo Show 5 screen is just okay. It is a touchscreen, so other than the voice control, you can control the device via touch. The device is a fingerprint magnet, so we'll need to wipe it down from time to time. A swipe from the right to the left, and we have the Discover page. Here we have communication, smart home, music, video, etc. that we can set up or access services from. I like the smart home feature as it lists all my devices and I can turn them on and off directly via the screen. I can also control a group of devices by tapping on the on-off button. You need to swipe down from the top to access quick settings. The home button is present here as there is no physical home button present on the device. We can set the brightness using the slider. A Do Not Disturb mode button is also present here if you don't want to receive unwanted notifications or don't want anyone dropping in for a call. The setting button allows for customizing most of the device settings. From Bluetooth to Wi-Fi connectivity, the home screen and clock is what most users would want to customize, and it provides a few options and they all look great. Display options are a slider for manual brightness, adaptive brightness which dims or brightens the display as per the ambient light, sunrise effect brightens the screen as per the time, simulating sunrise. This is during alarms actually. You can also customize what you would like to see on the home screen. maybe a rotation of current news and stories, reminders and notifications. Next we have the night mode, which are settings for when the device should dim the brightness so as to not disturb the people sleeping there. Things to try are like a list of commands for what the Echo Show 5 can do. Restrict access. This is an important feature for parents. We use this option to restrict what your kids can watch on the device. I have restricted any video playback as of now. It can be locked and unlocked using your Amazon password only. Unlocking it for now to show you the video quality. Just ask the Echo Show 5 to play any trailer and it will. Not the best display, but comparable to a budget phone in terms of quality. The viewing angles are also okay, but tends to invert colors when not straight on. The physical switch on the top allows to turn the camera on or off. This camera is used to drop in on other Amazon devices who have to be in the contacts you have added. The size of the device is quite small, so you may not enjoy the video content on this device. The sound on the Echo Show 5 is not very loud, but it's clear. Alexa, play classic instrumental music.
The playlist Best of Piano Guys on Amazon Music.
Alexa, volume 10. Alexa, stop. Alexa, play the Best of Piano Guys.
Playing the top songs by the Piano Guys on Amazon Music.
Alexa, volume 10.
Shuffling songs by Imagine Dragons on Amazon Music.
When the days are cold and the cards all fold and the saints we see are all made of gold, when your dreams all fail and the ones we hail are the...
As it's audibly clear, the Amazon Echo is way louder than the Echo Show 5. But here's where the 3.5mm jack is a saving grace. If you want, you can attach it to an external speaker or hi-fi, then the internal sound wouldn't worry you too much. But as a standalone speaker, the sound is not bad, but being such a small device, we can't expect too much from it. Listening to podcasts, radio stations or instructional videos are fine. So what did we think of the Echo Show 5? Compared to other smart devices, the Echo Show 5 is quite a capable device at this price point. The screen, though not that higher resolution, is still clear enough to view the information. Home automation shortcuts could have been more well laid out, and the lag while using the device is quite noticeable. But this is the cheapest smart display you can get in India, I think, and the vibrant colors, the smart home functionality, video playback, and the whole Alexa AI access on the device this small is a good deal. I think this device would adorn most homes as compared to other smart devices. If you have any questions, do send us an email at tech@talkingstuff.net or WhatsApp us at 96525 78833. So that's it from me. Thank you for watching and see you all next time. Make sure to like this video and also subscribe to the channel. Also make sure to click on the notification bell to be informed when new videos are added.